There is a contest happening in about 30 minutes at 01 Zulu if you want to come back and say hi. Your exchange would be 5-9 and then you'd give me a a signal report and your age group. Your age group would be old man, assuming you're over the age of 26, over. What? Okay, thank you for the call, 73 from Kilo 6 Papa. Where is that?
Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra. Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra.
California, my name is Bray. Bravo Radio Alpha Yankee. Old man, over. When you're peaking S9 plus 10, you're peaking S9 plus 10, you've been a beautiful here to the state of California, over. Mike, thank you for the call in 73. QRZ from Kilo Charlie 1 Kilowatt Uniform Germany, Portable 6.
Victor Ocean 1, Mike Delta Sierra.
Evo 1, Mike Delta Sierra, thank you for the call. Is tonight a VO1 activity night? Geez, you're the third VO1 I've worked. You're the third VO1 I've worked tonight in probably about 10 minutes, over.
Roger for sure. Yep, the name here is Daryl, Delta Alpha Romeo Echo Lima Lima, and QTH is St. John's, Newfoundland, Far East, over.
Okay, roger. Beautiful signal, by the way, 59 plus, here to the state of California, 73.
73, all the best. VO1M just clear.
Okay, thank you for the call. QRZ from Kilowatt 6 Papa. QRZ from Kilowatt Charlie 1 Kilowatt Uniform Germany, Portable 6. L7, I think it was Willie Lima 7 Willie Norway. Beautiful signal, assuming you're assuming you're not in Alaska. You're sounding great here in California, over. Yes, my call is Kilowatt Charlie 1 Kilowatt Uniform Germany, Portable 6, over.